Now, the unobvious parallel, which is the basis for opportunity concepts marketing, is turn everything into an opportunity. Market it like an opportunity.
Yeah.
So almost everything falls into three categories.
Mm-hmm.
You're either selling repair, improvement, or opportunity. Okay. So a lot of people sell repair.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll fix your shoes. We'll fix your plumbing. We'll fix your car. We'll fix your marriage. We'll fix your business. Mm-hmm. We'll fix your staff. We'll fix your money, etc. They're selling repair.
Yep.
Okay. And repair is inherently unexciting. Okay. Because we're fixing something we already got that's broke.
Yep.
Right? And in most cases, we're fixing it out of necessity, not really out of desire.
Mm-hmm. Hello, and welcome to this month's Masterclass. I'm Darcy Warris, here with Dan Kennedy. And Dan, this month we're gonna talk about your list that you've titled The 11 Agreements. But first I want to just talk a little bit about its source, and where you kind of first presented it to all of us was a multi-day training that called Opportunity Concepts Marketing. Can you expand on that a little bit?
Yeah, so it by the way, it's tough for people to get. Okay. I won't say that it's the most successful thing I've ever put in front of people, because it isn't. It does tie to repositioning, mm-hmm. which we just talked about in the prior masterclass. So its source is, and then I'll give you the premise that people have to get. Mm-hmm. Its source is the opportunity industry, which was in its prime 1950 through 1980. It has greatly diminished here in the United States in the last 20 years for a variety of reasons. It still exists, but it's not what it was. So there were 15, maybe 12 opportunity magazines, mm-hmm. including one of the big daddies called Opportunity. And in there were just tons of advertisers of different ways, part-time, spare time, full-time, that you could make money, mm-hmm. packaged up for you, right? So how to be a TV repairman was in there when we had TV repairmen. The trade schools advertised in there, international correspondence schools mm-hmm. advertised in there. But so did how to get rich in real estate, and here's stuff you can sell, business to business, a new kind of, well, this really dates it, but it's one of the products I sold, a new kind of carbon paper. Now, people are going to have to Google that, but you used to type with a piece of carbon paper here, so you had a copy of what you typed, right?
Couldn't hit print 2 copies?
No. And so this company invented, so it was thin paper, and you got the goop all over your hands. Secretaries all had blue hands from it. They invented Mylar. It was like plasticized. And it was a little bit more expensive, but you could use it 3 or 4 times. Mm-hmm. And it didn't get anything on anything. It was great, yeah. Right? So here was an ad, here's this thing. You can go to offices. Here's how you demo it, mm-hmm. and you can sell it, right? Mm-hmm. So buy a dozen boxes and hit the streets, right?
Yep.
So this was the opportunity industry.
Okay.
So Big Dogs, Tupperware, Mary Kay, those guys are there, and tons of entrepreneurs creating opportunities for people. Cheap to get into, mid-price to get into, really expensive to get into. Mm-hmm. Entrepreneur Magazine grew up out of that and still is with us.
Okay.
Most of them are gone. Mm-hmm. Some of this has moved online. It's the same, but it's different also. And my biggest client in that field was Gold by the Inch. And I moved them to television before this was all over with. So, like with anything else, there were formulas for selling an opportunity that are almost fill in the blank. And it doesn't really matter what the opportunity is, right? What attracts people to this and what they fear about this and what they have to get over about is all kind of the same, right? So some people got really good at it and became copywriters just about it. In our membership, probably TJ Roletter is probably the most adept, the most experienced. He's particularly good with mystery opportunities. You don't even exactly know what you're going to do, but here's how great it is. It's $2,000. So there's things that work to make that sale. And I first moved them to our world of info marketing because really how to have a more successful restaurant to somebody who already owns a restaurant is just selling an opportunity to enhance what they've already got instead of to have them start from scratch, right? So the parallels between the information marketing field and the opportunity field are profound. Okay? In some cases, you're really doing both, like Dr. Serby's dental assistant school, which I marketed with him for several years. That's an opportunity sold to the dentist to bolt onto his existing practice that his staff is going to run for him on Saturdays, and he's going to make money while he plays golf. Right? So it's an opportunity sale. So those parallels are sort of obvious. Now, the unobvious parallel, which is the basis for opportunity concepts marketing, is turn everything into an opportunity. Market it like an opportunity. So almost everything falls into three categories. You're either selling repair, improvement, or opportunity. Okay? So a lot of people sell repair. Okay? We'll fix your shoes, we'll fix your plumbing, we'll fix your car, we'll fix your marriage, we'll fix your business, we'll fix your staff, we'll fix your money, etc. They're selling repair. Okay? And repair is inherently unexciting. Okay? Because we're fixing something we already got that's broke. Right? And in most cases, we're fixing it out of necessity, not really out of desire. Right? So a lot of marketing is in this category, and a lot of it is profoundly unexciting. Okay? Then we have improvement, which is a little more exciting, but it's still the same thing made better. Right? Then, in these fields, we have opportunity, or I sometimes call it replacement. Right? This is much more exciting because it doesn't have any of these things you don't like about who you are, who you're married to, what you're doing, whatever, and it has this. Right?
If you want to learn more about this video, you can get access through our membership portal. Check out our website below to get full access to all Masterclass videos from Dan Kennedy. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and check out these videos.